Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we'll play English grammar quiz game. In this game, I'll put you the questions on the screen and there are two options. You have to choose the correct answer. The questions are very simple and the game is very simple. In each and every question, I'll count you 5 seconds to you. Let's start now. I'll read out the questions to you, okay? The simple definition of a noun is a person, place or first option is pronoun and the second option is thing. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the correct answer is thing. Next, in which sentence is the subject a pronoun? First option is England is cold now. Second option is you will need warm clothes. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is you will need warm clothes. Next, Marian teaches history. Which is the subject? First option is Marian. Second option is history. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is Marian. Next, verbs are used in first option some sentences, second option all sentences. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is all sentences. Next, in the language of grammar, adjectives dash nouns. First option is modify, second option is activate. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer is modify. Next, this quiz is harder than the others. The adjective order is first option is superlative, second option is comparative. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is comparative. Next, which is a list of common prepositions? First option is in, at, by, with, to. Second option is and, but, or, so, yet. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is in, at, by, with, to. Next, prepositions can also come at the end of a question, as in first option is who are you going with? Second option is are you going together? Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is who are you going with? Next, which of these very common words is a conjunction? First option is the, second option is and. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer is and. Next, now the last question. I was sick dash I couldn't go to work. Which conjunction is best? First option is because, second option is so. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is So, next time we'll play synonyms and antonyms game. Be ready for that. Students, you have to read English grammar and English dictionary every day. English meanings you have to read every day. Okay? If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.